Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to attach web link to Squarespace. So guys, you can attach your link into text, navigation, images, button blocks, and cover pages. Now guys, with all that said, first thing that you will do is simply go to your site, and after that, just simply go ahead and click on edit on the top left over here. And now, guys, from here, if you want to add a link or attach a link into a text, you can just simply select the text over here. So let's say this one, artist. I'm gonna provide a link over here. You can just simply select it and click on this icon over here. And after that, you can just simply provide URL over here, and now just simply provide the link over here. So let's say I'm gonna go for google.com, and from here guys, you will have an option that if you click on it, it will open a new tab. So I'm gonna toggle this on. Now guys, let's try adding a link as well on the picture. So let's just simply go find a picture. So I have a image here, and as you can see, you will have this same button over here, and you can just simply provide the link over here. So you can attach a link, and after that, just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen. And now let's go to the exit over here on the top left, and just simply go to the preview on the top right. And now when we click on the link that we just did, the artist over here, as you can see, it will redirect us to the web link. And now let's try to go for the picture. So let's say I'm going to click on this picture, and as you can see, it will redirect us to this link. That's pretty much it. You can just simply select the element, and after that you can just simply select the link icon and attach your link, and there you go. See ya.